What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So today is auction day. Let's talk about what I bought. Yes, I got something. Yes, we're going to show it off in the video. I'm going to have to slow down on buying some cars. I really need to sell some things. That's what I need to focus on right now. I've got a guy coming out to clean a couple of my cars because I just don't have the time to do it. And he's willing to do the cleaning, steam cleaning and everything for $40 a car. That includes interior, wipe down, all of it. So, my dad always said you got to work smart, not hard. And for $40, time versus money, it's worth it to let him finish cleaning the G5. So let's jump into this. But first, I want to talk about our sponsor for this video, which is this website that I'm getting ready to show you, where you can get a Carfax report immediately on demand for $4.95. Auto check report is like $1.50. So let's jump into that before we start the video. Be sure to check out www.autovhr.com/deal so you can get this deal for $4.89. Simply go to the website, enter your VIN number, enter your email address, and then click Check by VIN. Otherwise, you can enter the plate number, the state, and the email address, and also click Check by Plate. That works just as well as the VIN number. Now you're going to be redirected to PayPal. This time we're looking at the 05 Dodge Ram from IAA. $4.89 or $1.45 is the price. So we're going to go with Carfax. I'm going to click Pay Now with PayPal. We're going to be redirected, so wait for approximately 5 seconds. Now we're at PayPal, where we need to log in with our email address and password. Now we're logged in. Go ahead and click Pay Now. Give it just a moment. We successfully paid the $4.89, and we will be redirected right back to the website. And at this point, we have a full Carfax history report. This has everything: the history report, the highlights, smart buyer checklist, warranty check, buyback guarantee, absolutely everything. This is a legitimate deal. I did it myself before I brought it to you guys. I actually paid for this. This was not a sponsored video per se. I'm not getting anything for free, but I did tell this guy I was going to promote him because I like his service. Carfax Vehicle History Report, www.autovhr.com/deal to get this for $4.85.
Sold on approval. Your watch item is next on the block. New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder. Sold on approval. New bidder. New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder. New bidder. New bidder. New bidder. Bonus time. Bonus time.
Testing, testing, testing. All right, we're back at the house, and here's the fleet. We've got the Yukon. We've got the Jeep Liberty. We've got the Chevy Cruze. We've got the Pontiac G5. We've got the 03, what is this, Silverado. We've got the 17 Mustang GT. So that's the fleet. This place started to look like a car lot. Good Lord. I got the trailer parked back in the back away from being in, public view. But this is the one we're here to talk about today. So we bought it. $31.50 was the price. I think we got a pretty good deal on it. It is going to need a few things. It's got a couple little dings on the hood. As you can see, nothing major up here really to worry about. I probably will end up getting the fender replaced. Probably end up replacing this door. There's a ding down here. Probably won't worry about that. The bed, though, I think this is going to be one that we need to pull the bed off and just replace the whole bed. No frame damage. No leaks that I can see. Runs, drives, shifts well. Gate works like it's supposed to. 71,000 miles. We got us a tow hitch. We got this real nice connector here, which will work with my trailer. We need to go get the tags done. Some scrapes, some scratches here and there. Probably could use a new set of tires. It does pull to the left. So we will get it in for an alignment as soon as possible. We'll find out what the check engine light is on for. But overall, a very decent running and driving pickup truck for $3,000. It's a newer generation, 03, so it's got the new body style. Interior is nice, exterior, whatever. Runs great. 70,000 miles is really what I'm interested in. 70,000 miles with clean transmission fluid. I can live with that. So we made it home. Wanted to do an overview of, what we got here. And we're going to go get the tags on it. And, then we'll start taking care of some regular maintenance. I appreciate you guys watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. As always, like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you in the next one.